Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation.
What up guys, it's your boy Nakamoto Crypto here, and today we have got a dubious asset manager claims to short Chainlink with a 99% price target. A suspicious asset manager is claiming to have entered into a short position targeting a 99% crash of the Chainlink price. Now this is a report by a Zeus Capital that has asserted that the firm is building into a Chainlink short position with a price target of 99% gains, describing the top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap as crypto's next wire card. However, the firm behind the report, zeuscapital.com, appeared to have registered its website just 7 months ago, while its Twitter account has been suspended for violations of the platform's terms of use, with the report offering no caution and featuring 0 working links. Many analysts believe the asset management and research firm claims to be based in New York, London, Singapore, and Hong Kong. However, Cointelegraph was unable to contact the firm, with the phone numbers for its London office appearing to have been switched off, and the Hong Kong office diverting calls straight to voicemail. So one Redditor dubiously claims to have spoken to the firm, writing, I actually called the phone numbers because I was not sure about this Zeus Capital. Anyway, I had a talk over 30 minutes with them. They are legit. Their concerns are well meant. Looks like Link soon will be going down. I would not buy Link above $2. This is what this Redditor has written. The firm also has the same name as the UK-based wealth manager zeuscapital.co.uk and should not be confused with the United Kingdom-based company. So the report, titled The Chainlink Fraud Exposed, predicts that Link will plummet from $7.95 to 7 cents over an unidentified timeline. Zeus describes Chainlink's development team as a very small and inexperienced, asserting that on-chain activity is declining while competing protocols proliferate. Further, it accuses Chainlink's executives of insider trading, market manipulation, and disturbing false and misleading information. Link broke into a new all-time high above the $5 mark earlier this month, gaining more than 50% in just 1 week. Now this is insane. Most of those Reddit posts that was co-signing this unknown Zeus Capital management firm have now been deleted. So it seems like somebody just created it for FUD. But come on guys, a 64-page was written about Chainlink. Like, who have that time to put that kind of manifesto on paper just to create FUD and then hide your phone numbers? I mean, Cointelegraph is legit. They tried to contact this firm and they were unsuccessful. So yeah, I reckon this just might be fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Because Chainlink has been around for a while now. They have a solid team behind them and a solid marketing team. So if this Zeus Capital that nobody ever heard of was legit, they would stand on their words pretty much and come out with proof that Chainlink is a fraud. But until then, I'm calling it a FUD. Next, the Twitter hacker is a BitMEX trader on chain data suggests. Now, a couple days ago, y'all remember the tweets by some unknown hackers hacking into celebrities' accounts and claiming Bitcoin. Well, none of the roughly 13 Bitcoins acquired through that whole Wednesday fiasco Twitter hack have been laundered, according to chain analysis conducted by Samurai Wallet. But whoever it was is deep into the cryptocurrency space with the BitMEX receipt to prove it. According to primarily analysis from Samurai Wallet's research arm, OXT Research confirmed no sign of mixing. Majority funds spent 1 or 2 hops. So really curious what their cash out plan should be right now, as they just been passing the coins from wallet to wallet. So I think they are scared to put it on an exchange because these coins are not completely untraceable, and based on the history of the first destination address of the crypto for health scam address, the scammers have a history of gambling on BitMEX and Coinbase usage. So yeah, it's now up to BitMEX to try to at least track these people down or identify them, even if it is anonymous because it's the crypto space. But BitMEX has a huge responsibility to at least freeze their funds once the coins that they have stolen from innocent people hits the BitMEX exchange. And another thing is that KYC policies. Ergo said that the best chance of identifying the hackers comes from Coinbase itself. So Coinbase has a higher chance of clamping down on these dudes. Lastly, we have got Bitcoin's Goliath. Grayscale reveals a $1.4 billion investment in crypto right now as we speak. The digital asset manager Grayscale says that inflows to its Bitcoin and other crypto investment products reached $905 million in quarter 2 2020, bringing the total capital raised to $1.4 billion in the first half of this year alone. In its largest digital asset investment report, the firm says 84% of the investments are from institutional investors. 84%, guys. Primarily hedged fund. Of the returning institutional investors, 81% of those are invested in multiple products. So yeah, for the first time, inflows Grayscale products over a 6-month period crossed the $1 billion threshold, demonstrating sustained demand for digital asset exposure despite a backdrop characterized by economic uncertainty. The firm says that its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust continued to lead the pack in investment demands with inflows of $751 million in the last quarter, which marks quarter 2 of 2020 as the product's 4th successive record-breaking quarter. The company says that following the Bitcoin halving in May, inflows to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust surpassed the number of a newly mined BTC over the same period. In addition, Grayscale says that its other crypto funds are gaining momentum. The Grayscale Ethereum Trust recorded an inflow of $135 million in quarter 2, accounting for nearly 15% of the total inflows. The Grayscale Litecoin Trust also surpassed its investment records, and Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust saw its largest inflow since quarter 2 2018. Watch what they do and not what they say, guys. I know the cryptocurrency space can be a little bit boring sometimes, but hearing these news that the institutions, while we are complaining that prices are not going, while we are complaining that BTC has just been moving sideways for the last 2 months, the institutions right under our nose are putting billions of dollars into crypto because they know what is coming. That's what's going on right now as we speak. While you're sleeping, they are accumulating Bitcoin, Litecoin, and other OG cryptocurrencies. So this is no financial advice, all opinions. Do your due diligence, but watch what they do and not what they say. Because on the news, they seem to be putting down Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. At the same time, they are buying crypto. That's what JP Morgan has been doing for the last 2-3 years, or even 5 years if you go as far as 2014. So they always put down Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, calling it scams and all of this stuff. Behind closed doors, these guys and their firms have been hodling like crazy. So in the future, Bitcoin just might be the most scarce and hard to get currency on the entire planet. So them putting it down should not discourage any investor out there looking into Bitcoin and crypto as we speak. A couple of days ago, a Twitter hack happened. I feel like maybe it was a coordinated attack against crypto to put us again on a bad light. So soon as these scams keep popping up, mainstream media and the institutions like to point out fingers. So as long as we are still being associated with scams, we might be moving sideways for a while. But yeah, this article is a proof that they are still looking into Bitcoin and crypto. On the last part of the article, the company says that following the Bitcoin halving in May, so they know that a halving just happened. And historically, for the last 10 years, every time a halving happens, 1 year to 18 months, Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high and a peak. And on that note, we have reached 100 subscribers, guys. This is amazing. Thank you to all of my subscribers. And for newcomers, please don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe for some more daily crypto bangers. I've been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.